Here I will show how to use where clause. Let's say our table data, select, we have a table, select all from user. Okay, select all from. So here you see that this string means we're selecting all, and this is the table name, and this is the semicolon. You have to use it. So we have 3 columns: name, country, and age. So these are the details. Okay, now I want to use the where clause. How to use, clear the screen and clear, and then okay, now let's say select. I want to select, and select all from users. Okay, I'm gonna select this from keyword. Okay, users. Okay, where let's say is greater than 10. So it will only select data when where the is greater than 10. It means it is going to select this data 24, this row, it is going to select. You see that greater than 10. So 23 is greater than 10, so it is selecting all the columns. This column 31, this column, and 23, this is greater than. Okay, now if you write that here less than 10, it is going to select less than 10 only. This 9 and 3 is less than 10. If you write here is going to equal to, it is going to only select. Okay, now I want to check, what is this? Okay, I want to delete one data, or I can show you another example of where select all from user table name, and where country equal to Thailand. Okay, so how many Thailand we have? We have 2 Thailand. So it is going to select 2 rows. You see, it is selecting 2 rows. Okay, this is where clause, how to use it. It is a condition. It should, when it is matched, it will show the result. All right, here you can also use and is greater than 10. See, here is 2 condition, where, and here is also using and. All right, so if you write, use the capital letter, all, use the table name, where country, where country equal to and is 10. Okay, for beginner it is easier to understand. This is keyword. All right, now clear the screen to understand better. Select all from user. Let's say I want to delete one row. Delete from table, from table users, where name equal to, let's say, Lisa. Okay, now press enter. Delete one. Okay, one deleted. Now check. We check. You see, Lisa is deleted. This is how to use where clause and conditional. Okay, how it works. This is just a small example. Any question, please type. Thank you.